One owner clean Carfax. 6.7-liter Cummins diesel, full 4-door quad cab crew cab, long box, dual rear-wheel dually DRW, 6-speed manual stick-shift transmission, 4x4 shifter on the floor 4-wheel drive, grey cloth interior, power driver's seat, 40/20/40 split bench seating with hidden storage compartment, Sirius satellite radio capabilities, factory exhaust brake, towing package receiver hitch, transmission cooler, and wiring, factory stainless steel steppers, electric brake controller, tow heated fold-out power mirrors, Cooper Discoverer 8TRLT 235/80R17 tires, factory wheel simulators, keyless entry, CD player, auxiliary jack, sliding rear window, LATCH child safety system, compass temperature mileage display, fog lights, clearance lights, factory floor mats, load floor, air, cruise control, tilt, power locks, power windows. This truck is eligible for a parts and service agreement. One owner clean Carfax. Very clean inside and out. Runs and drives excellent. This is one of the sharpest 2007 Dodge Ram 3500 quad cab crew cab long box dually stick shift diesels with 6.7L diesel we have ever had on your lot. Don't miss out on this super clean 4WD. Make your move before this one is gone. Call now. 1-866-606-9906. View our complete inventory of around 500 vehicles at www.lenzauto.com. If you are looking for financing, Lenz Truck Center can help. We have on-the-spot financing. Bad credit or good, we will work with your 17 banks to get you approved and for a great rate. If you live far away or close to us, we make it our promise to make sure you are a happy customer before, during, and after the sale. Lenz Truck Center has been in business and family-owned for 25 years. With a new generation taking over, we plan on making this the place you and your children buy their next vehicle. Lenz Truck Center is the country's fastest-growing dealership. Lenz Truck Center has grown from about a 40-vehicle inventory in 1999 to over 400 today. Our selection is unmatched in the industry, with more high-quality used diesel trucks than anyone in the Midwest. All here in Fond du Lac. Why? All of our vehicles are Lenz certified and ready to be delivered. Disclaimer: dealers shall in no way be held liable for any errors or omissions to be found on these web pages. All prices are plus any applicable state taxes and service fees. We will do our best to keep all information current and accurate, however the dealership should be contacted for final pricing and availability.